Manpac's on-the-road protest against CAB greatly affects Tidim and Uripo Kangchub Road. One student and media person sustained injury in police scuffle. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin appeals to hold discourse on CAB 2016 to know its actual impact. Illegal tax collections allegedly by Horticulture Department from vehicles ferrying commercial commodities along Imphal More Road worry traders. And President Ramnath Kovind confers Sangeet Natak Academy Award 2017 to Manipuri dancer Oinam Dhoni and Sumanglila artist Augrakpam Hemanta. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangchum with the headlines in details. The on-the-road protest against CAB called by Manipur people against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 Manpac had a strong impact on Tidim Road and Uripo Kangchub Road today. Manpac yesterday urged everyone to come out on streets and carry out daily chores against CAB. Police resorted to firing of tear gas shells to scatter the protesters, injuring a student and a media person who went to cover the news. Residents of Hodam Leirak, Takhe Leikai, Domimachu Leirak, Pagaitel Thongnautam Leikai, Sangai Pro, Ghari Malum Sega Road blocked half of the national highway passing through the area since 11 this morning. Passers-by along the road faced major inconveniences. Even though the police managed to scatter the protesters in the early part of the day, a large number of protesters again took out a protest rally towards Tidim Road, Kashampa this evening. As the rally approached Hodam Leirak, a massive police force tried to halt the rally. Police resorted to firing tear gas shells to thwart the rally, to which the rally is retaliated by pelting stones towards the police personnel. Impact News camera person Namarapam Bisorjit sustained injury on his leg and one student also sustained injury during the scuffle.
Manipur Langak Amadi India Langana, a kind of a meaning of some hope. Manipur Amadi noticed that among the other talk about the whole I couldn't overcome it. Kamabasan, and a bottom by Lamosok, to them road.
Local residents blocked Uripo Kangchub Road in solidarity to the on-road mass protest against CAB called by Manpac. Many people came out and stayed sit-ins on the road from Uripok over bridge till Naramthong since 11:30 this morning. Local streets were also blocked. People plying on the road faced immense inconveniences due to the obstruction, which was exempted only for essential services. Speaking to media, a women protester expressed discontentment at the indifference of the Chief Minister, MLAs and ministers of the state regarding the bill, despite vehement opposition by the people.
Sige binje notice pass out binje aningde adubu hujuji honorable chief minister oiro amoiro amatang chulai ba ki oiba makhatang namona raja gi mayuk ta lebida khoi yaningde habado amatang chungmoina makhoi gi machindage khoi kemda ta da khoi pende makhoi da chu khoina aduna akhoi uribo apun manupi lupsina masigi changapa khongjang khudima akhoi matam khunida dum saruk ya jageni.
Residents of Hatta also stayed to sit-in on Hatta Road while Manpac co-convener Pundray Mayum Abdullah and Vice Chairman of Public Hospital and Research Institute Hatta Yumkaibam Wahajuddin prayed namaz on the road. Protesters blocked new check onto Minuthong Road since to this afternoon. They continued to block the road by putting up lights around 5:30 this evening.
Masisida kanagumba yeknaba singna provoke tawnaba honrapa matamda ida isa khudimangna sapchana madugi paukhumda aikoi piminasi moina tolokpa RSS na amadi adumlaba tongan ba agency na aikoi miyambu masoi tanaba tolokpa provocation dagi aikoi punamak section minasi amusu sapchana thengna minasi hayek sa dumang main pek na gi state di makha dumak tawgani wadiba kai to badar kala pro main pek aisu main pek ko convener ni miyang bi apamba karino main pek ki apun ba aikoi gi tongan luk mayang ko yaw karam babong de station tawsige haiba khongjang singdo adudagi makha tanum chahingani.
Students of Eastern Star Higher Secondary School, Kangabok in Thoubal district carried out protest rally against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 today. The rally was carried out from the school till Kangabok Bazaar. Students formed human chain and also chanted slogans against the bill. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birain has inaugurated a training cum production center of Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board in Lamphilpa today. Speaking in the event, he appealed to discourse on CAB 2016 to know its actual impact on the state. Asking how many people from Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan pleaded to migrate in the state, Chief Minister Birain assured that the bill will not harm the state. He maintained that the state cannot forbid the Bengalis of Bangladesh not to settle in Bengal and the Hindu minorities of Pakistan not to settle in Rajasthan. He said, as per CAB 2016, settlement duration to get Indian citizenship was reduced from 11 years to 6 years. He also said Muslims were excluded in the bill as Muslims are in majority in Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Chief Minister Birain urged those in electronic media to hold thorough discussion on the content of the bill. Taking part in the event, Trade, Commerce, Industry Minister Thongam Biswajit asserted that promotion, utilization and export of the state's khadi products will boost the economy of the state and the nation as a whole.
Aikhui minority ni, aikhui indigenous population ni, aikhui di protect toko, aikhui di protect toko dabne, aikhui di indigenous mut aikhui gi soktana ba aikhui gi kari lege haibi ho haibi aikhui gi hak ni. Bharat pumba ki bill parliament ki bill du aikhui na madu Bharat pumba da satna ba yaro na hairu budi aikhui yagadra. Handaki amendment si da hairai na, noi sahi tara mathoi hairam bado sahi tarukta tension le haibo. Same subject ni ko. Thingju thingji aduga bill body su nahi na si aise. Sahi tarukta tension lakpa. Masida koi sokra sokta nahi na biro. Nangai akoi the citizenship PO haiba mi kayam lai Manipur da. Bengali Hindu kayam lai, Gujarati Hindu kayam lai, Punjabi kayam lai. India ki nate ko Pakistan or Bangladesh or adudagi lakpa citizen PO ba kya lai. Ang nahi na biro di bill du puthoga pairwise nahi na biro di amphaba. Praja ju bhat tagada ba. Ash ongtoi ba ha ikoi pre-merger ha independent ha an adum chakre. Bill ki what actually in the bill se si nahi na biro haibne ba koi na haibne.
The 11 political parties recently visited Delhi to pressurize union ministers and MPs concerning Citizenship Amendment Bill on January 29, following the all political parties meet on January 28 have come together as Manipur Democratic Alliance. The newly formed alliance endeavors to fight against the bill and various other issues of the state. It further assured to stand united with the people if the bill is ever forcefully passed in Rajya Sabha. Speaking to media in the Shanghai Hall of Hotel Imphal today, President of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit M. Tombi assured that the alliance will continue to agitate until the bill is completely withdrawn. He said the Union Home Minister and respective MPs of the parties have assured of no harm to Northeast states by the bill. Taking part in the press meet, representative of BJP L. Basanta said BJP National President Amit Shah had stated that a bill will not be produced in Rajya Sabha without political consensus. He also said CAB was missing from the bills to be tabled as per the Parliament Bulletin released yesterday, and hence there is no question of passing the bill in Rajya Sabha.
North East tagi aduga maru ina Manipur dagi aikoi masi mapung marai phaba adugamba withdraw ma tawdri phawba koi hanba laitana aikoi sanction anabugi warep amaga loinana ngasi khoi Manipur Democratic Alliance ba khoi adugamba alliance amagi khoi pandam amagi makhada khoi withdraw tawdri phawba khoi bill si withdraw tawdri phawba khoi hanba laitana sanction ba
maru ina gahati de piba Ramadhab ji gi speech ta house ta puthoga pass tawni na haibado house ta puthoroi haibadu di ngarang phawgi bulletin duna mayek sengna mayamna khangbi khre duga तसेंग भारतीय जनता पार्टी को फिरेप्ती पॉलिटिकल कंसेंसस लेरबा मतम तदा बिल पास तौगनी हाइबनेना हौजिकती बिल असि पॉलिटिकल कंसेंसस लेतबना मरम ओइदना हाउस तला आरो एबसि ngaraंग बुलेटिन नसना खंगख्रे दुगा ताइ ट्राइन थोइद पुथोगु वाफमसु लेते
Secular Democratic Front Manipur SDFM, a conglomerate of 7 political parties, alleged the BJP government of misleading autonomous institutes, including the president. Speaking to media at the office of Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress in Haukevang, Sanjenthong today, spokesperson of SDFM Soram Iboyaima said President Ramnath Kovind acted as an influencer by favoring CAB in his opening speech during the joint session of the parliament on January 31st. He also demanded the state government to let know its decision on the bill to the public. Taking part in the press meet, SDFM convener Dr. T.H. Inaucha stated that SDFM has always stood against the bill and even urged MPs of the respective parties to oppose the bill. He appealed to all MLAs, MPs, civil society organizations and public to unite against the bill.
Autonomy lejaba India gi institution ayamba lengak asina lan season rakna makoi gi khubam nungda thamnam gi makoi control to unna gi damukta aranba lambi da season rai haibagi kudam di ngasi RBI da thokriba wathok CBI da thokriba wathok even court phawda makoi na lan lamjing ngakna court phawda achum wayen phangnarakdaba
aduna hoji akoina Manipur gi praja miyam da amadi civil society punamakta khoina appeal tawjaning basi khoi MLA humpu leiriba khoi Lok Sabha gi MP adagi khoi gi leiriba CSO sing political party gi leader punamakse khoi ama khaktang oina punjan nare haira kan da warep si lawminaba aduga punna thengunaminaba aduna hena effective oigani.
Shiv Sena leader Uddhav Thackeray has extended support in opposing the Citizenship Amendment Bill. He said Shiv Sena has been opposing the bill and will continue to do so. He gave the assurance to NESO and AMSU members who are protesting the bill in Delhi. The members of the student bodies visited Mumbai to urge the leader of Shiv Sena and alliance of the NDA government, Uddhav Thackeray and his son Aditya Thackeray, to oppose the contentious bill. Uddhav Thackeray assured of holding talks personally with those parties supporting the bill. It may be mentioned that AMSU President Manjit Sarangthem and AMSU advisor cum NESO General Secretary Sinam Prakash are protesting the bill in Delhi since February 1st. Secretary of Tulihal Indiga Youth Development Organization TIYDO, Gayatuddin clarified that indigenous people down slogan was never chanted in a torch rally carried out against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 at Yaidipok on February 3rd. Speaking to media at Amukok office in Hatta today, TIYDO Secretary Gayatuddin stated that 2,500 individuals took part in Torch rally carried out by different 8 local clubs of Yaidipok and 1 Mairapai Bilup under the initiative of People's Alliance Manipur PAM. The Secretary termed it unfortunate that some individuals tried to malign the rally by uploading a doctored video clip on social media. Gayatuddin termed the doctored video as a ploy to create clash between different communities. He said an FIR has been filed against the same at State Police and Cybercrime Unit to investigate the matter.
Asigumba maira rally asida Manipur yellow me down high kiba laikide. Asigumba video clip Dr. Toduna Thadorak liba asi kanagumba kharana pre-plan tauraga kangluk masen marakta yingthinaba pokallaga Sangsil liba iho asi nathai na buhona rakba aronba khujin thaurangni lawe makata na video clip asigi matangda samam naba pokpi danaba protest sinja langja khiba club amasung maira paibi look mapanna miyamda apin tawjari makha tana ki mayokta tumba chaba khangdana hona jariba miyambu amasung look singbu lana uhan bidanaba apin tawjari ki mayokta pamna sangsilakpa khudingmak support tawjagani ainasu haijari.
Traders are dismayed due to illegal tax collections in the name of Horticulture Department along Imphal Moray Road from vehicles ferrying commercial commodities such as coconut, betel nut, grains, etc. Drivers coming to Imphal who refused to pay tax were compelled to drive back to Moray. Speaking to media, DI drivers of Imphal Moray Road stated that a DI vehicle heading for Imphal with 80 bags of coconuts and 30 bags of betel nuts was stopped at Horticulture Department checkpost of Moray and was asked to pay 3,100 rupees as tax. They said when the driver refused to pay the overly charged tax and pleaded to pay 500 rupees, the staffs of the Horticulture Department refused to ask him to return. Drivers also disclosed that they paid either 3,100 rupees or 3,500 rupees without receipt to cross the checkpost. It may be mentioned that a video clip showing a staff of the Horticulture Department who allegedly threw away lesser amount of money paid by drivers as tax recently circulated on social media.
मोइन हाइबा पैसासदगी तागा छि पिंगमदगदी गाड़ी हलु हाय फरे आइजो वारोबदगी हलक्तना इस्माइल लेरे अदो स्माइल सुम मथंग मनाव मखा तान तौतगदी मोयदे लेबा खोइजे अमदा सत्पसु ngamaroy अखोइदी गाड़ी थरुगा हिंगा साजाबनी अदो मोइ सि मै लेबा अथॉरिटी डिपार्टमेंट सिंगना थिगपिरगा करी कर्म तानबा याबगे मोइ खितंग पौताक पिबि ओना मामंग मफमलै थमजरी कुंकवा बेक अमदा पायांखै यांखै चांग पारकन माइतो चले सिजु आइगा यामना निगाइ छंगदानै हाइतारे मखोइ खितंग मखोइ जुवा अकन बखरा हाय माइना पलेंदा उफानि खोनि गायना मु माइना हायरा कांदा यामना नुआइतना चले आई गाइ चतप मतमदा जु
Mahud Minister Thaunawjam Shyam Kumar has appealed for cooperation in keeping Imphal city and other towns of Manipur neat and clean. He was speaking at the distribution event of waste collection vehicles to 7 urban bodies for Phase 1 under Non-Lapsable Central Pool for Resources NLCPR project funded by NEC, the Ministry of Donor and Tata Motors showroom in Sangai Pro today. The 7 urban bodies are Thoubal Municipal Council, Hairok and Wangjing Municipal Council, Andro Nagar Panchayat, Yairipok and Sikhong Sekmai Municipal Council and Lilong Thoubal Municipal Council. Minister Shyam Kumar stressed the need to recycle the rising waste pollutions in the state. He urged representatives of local bodies and public to cooperate each other in maintaining cleanliness. Speaking on the occasion, Mahud Director Tej Hari Kumar stated that arrangements are all set for waste cycling treatment process and for which 11.46 crore rupees were sanctioned under NLCPR project. The director disclosed that the waste collection vehicles 28 Tata Ace and 5 Tata Tipper were distributed today at an estimate of 4.12 crore rupees for the first phase under the project. He also said waste collected by the vehicles will be first treated in Thoubal and then on will be utilized to produce electricity and fertilizers at solid waste management plant in Lamding. He also said 2 free dustbins each will be provided to every household under the 7 urban bodies.
ꯑꯃꯣꯠꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯦꯂꯤ ꯋꯦꯖꯦꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯎꯟꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯁꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯒꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯛ ꯐꯔꯇꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖꯔ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯩ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯣꯜꯃꯦꯟꯅꯤ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯨꯝꯂꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯏꯐꯦꯛꯇꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯒꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯌꯥꯏꯔꯤꯄꯣꯛ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯌꯨꯁꯅꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ.
Police foiled members of Joint SSA and Ramsar Teachers Association who gathered, pressing the demands on the route where Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren was expected to pass through. The teachers stood holding banners and chanting various slogans for their demands. However, a team of Imphal West Police scattered the protesters ahead of the Chief Minister's arrival by firing tear gas shields. Earlier in the day, the teachers gathered in front of Education as office to meet with the Education as Director as a part of their ongoing agitation in demand for regular salary and promotion of qualified regularized teachers. The protesting teachers then marched towards the road leading to Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board, where the Chief Minister was attending a program. Protesting teachers expressed disappointment and condemned the conduct of the police.
Tear gas boat, Quilang Zalakana, Tankai, Towe, Arosideda, Ozazinski Marakta, Ozanupi, Miron, because as we already been. Zeda, Akoyam Pindaba. Akoy di sumnagi, akoy se akoy chang na ina tolo phangaktab na marang morakanda akoy se regular oina akoy employee akoy thabak se sangjabani aduga si adugi akoy gi kano promotion gi system ju leitaba akoy chahi manga hena akoy thabak tobo jasing me ama yauri bani adugi absorption gi akoy gi sigi kano se demand je kitang akoy kano sida haijage haina akoy je senje lakjabani ba adubu ngarang handagi akoy changchan jarak pasida ngasi sidi akoy tongan ba top kano ama akoy Amakoi, Marbuliski Makadigi, Ubasakoi, I'm Tina Pain about asking Makadigi.
Vice President of AMKIL, L. Nganbi, expressed discontentment at the lack of compensation to the family members of late Pukri Hongba Memi, 26 years, daughter of Gaura Singh of Kongba Ikau Bazar under Cycle Police Station, who was murdered by her boyfriend. Speaking to media during a press conference jointly organized by the family members of the deceased, Maira Paibis and AMKIL at Manipur Press Club today, Nganbi lauded the speedy justice delivered by the court in Memi's case. She said it will be an example to law breakers in the state that law exists and no one can break laws. She also appealed to complete all the pending cases at the earliest.
Ngarangi announcement ogibaduga mari leinana ayo Sony SK sang STPO hainangai leitana thagali judge oibiriba nangting cherina miyamu pelhanba judge ama oibagi mathau pangthokpagi damak amkil gi maikaidagi Manipur gi ima singi maikaidagi mabu amuka johanna thaga chapa phongdokchari nupi masaji gi damakta phangbam thokpa hakki damakta social welfare haiba sida se thajai legal services authority da su se thai adubu hujik phawba legal services authority na su karigumbi amanta information pirakpa leite chaluraga moi mafam aduda chalu aini inthorak panatana karigumba ama bau phangba ngamdri rohit ase ngasi mana phangiba thasi oina piba se aikoi yamna masi matik chai haina lawi.
And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on President Ramnath Kovind giving away the prestigious Sangeet Natak Academy Awards. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. President Ramnath Kovind gave away the prestigious Sangeet Natak Academy Awards 2017 at Rashtrapati Bhavan today. 42 artists from the fields including music, dance, theatre, traditional, folk and tribal music were awarded. Manipuri classical dancer Oinam Dhoni and Sumang Lila theatre artist Saugrakpam Hemanta bagged the prestigious award. 11 eminent artists were selected for the award in the field of music, 9 artists in dance category, 9 artists in theatre and 10 artists in the category of traditional, folk and tribal music. Vijay Verma and Sandhya Purecha were awarded for their overall contribution to the performing arts. The award carries a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees, a Tamrapatra and Angavastram. "28 individuals received Manipur State Kala Academy Award 2015 at Chandrakirti Auditorium Palace compound today. Speaking in the event, convener Dr. Najma Haptullah said, Manipur State Kala Academy takes a pivotal role in protecting, preserving and promoting the varied art forms of both hills and valley of the state, including country folks. She said, Manipur, despite being a small state, is popular around the world for its varied and unique art and culture. The governor mentioned that Ras Leela of Manipur is distinctive and not seen anywhere else. Manipur State Kala Academy, a composite art academy, was established in 1972. The governor presented awards in various fields, including dance, music, theatre, Sumang Lila, Gaura Lila, Thangta, Wari Liba, Arangpham, tribal culture, literature, fine arts, and Mime's State Kala Academy Lifetime Achievement Fellow Award and Young Talent on the occasion. The Lifetime Achievement Award 2015 was presented to Hizam Gaura Singh.
The Academy has been honoring every year outstanding scholars and artists in the field of music, dance, drama, and the native theatrical tradition of Sumang Lila, tribal culture, other forms of art, fine arts, and literature by conferring fellowships and awards which symbolize not only the highest standards of excellence but also recognizing the individual work of the highest professional accomplishment.
Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy will organize 3-day festival of Manipuri dance and music at Natya Mandir and Manipuri Kala Kristi Kendra in Sivsagar of Assam from February 7 to 11. A cultural troupe of 31 members of Jain Dance Academy will participate in the festival. Various dance and drama will be showcased in the festival, including Kuranga Nayani, Radha Sati, Lai Harauba, and Pung Cholom. Senior advocate C.H. Nadia Chand passed away at 96 today. He was the longest serving advocate in Manipur. Advocate Nadia Chand was born on December 23, 1923. He served as president of all Manipur Bar Association for 20 years. He was also a member of Bar Council of Assam for 12 years. The late senior advocate was also a social activist. He was closely associated in the establishment of Manipur College and Chingamakha High School. Laimarol Khorjaikol Laikol observed 97th birth anniversary of Maharaja Kumari Binodini at Manipur Hindi Parishad All Assembly Road today. Laikol conferred first ever Maharaj Kumari Binodini Memorial Sahitya Award 2019 to writer Sudhir Nauroibam for his short story book Asengbayum Amadi Atay Wari Singh. The award consists of a citation, a soul, and a cash award of 15,000 rupees. Legendary filmmaker Aribam Shyam Sharma handed over the award. Former chairperson of Manipur Women Commission Dr. Chongtham Jamini, Laikol President Professor Nahakpam Aruna, and many renowned writers of the state attended the event. Writer Sudhir Nauroibam expressed happiness on getting the award. Speaking on the occasion, awardee Sudhir Nauroibam stated that Maharaja Kumari Binodini was a great lover of literary works and the land. He further stated that though she is no more with us, her thoughts and views still prevailed with us. The awardee that late Binodini even contributed state politics in times of turmoils. He lauded Maharaj Kumari Binodini for giving up her Padma Shri Award, the fourth highest civilian award during the great June 18th uprising. An orientation workshop for law enforcers of Thoubal district on Cigarettes and Other Tobacco Product Act Code 2003 was held today. District Health Society Thoubal organized a workshop under National Tobacco Control Program at the Election Council Hall of Thoubal DC complex. Resource persons gave insights on various topics like burden of tobacco, health, economic and environmental perspective, harmful effects of tobacco use, an overview of National Tobacco Control Program and Code 2003, an overview of various sections and how we go about it during the workshop. Mahindra Shapes Autotech Imphal organized a painting competition as a part of the ongoing 30th Road Safety Week campaign at Premier English Academy in Kanchipur today. Many students of the school took part in the competition held on the theme. It may be mentioned that the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways launched the 30th Road Safety Week campaign on February 4th to be continued till February 10th. Governor Najma Heptullah has appointed Khurai MLA Laishangtam Susindro alias Yaima as the chairman of Loktak Development Authority LDA as per Manipur Loktak Lake Protection 3rd Amendment Ordinance 2019 issued by State Law and Legislative Affairs Department dated February 4th. The Forest and Environment Department informed that the notification will be in effect for public interest until further notice. President of All India Congress Committee Rahul Gandhi is appointed member of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee and former Works Minister. Dr. K. Ratan Kumar as former MLA, Moirang and Prithviraj as Congress Party observers in Arunachal Pradesh to review and monitor roadmap and action plan for the ensuing State Assembly election and Lok Sabha election 2019. Zaliarong, Baudi, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland in a press release notified that no individual from Zaliarong community will participate in the consultative meeting to be held at Hebron Kem and announced by NSC and IM General Secretary T.H. Muiva. The press release further notified that Zaliarong community will stick to the resolution of Zaliarong civil organizations of not participating in any meeting or anything led by the prescribed NSC and IM. And in sports news, SSU Singjamai beat their opponent in the 61st Churchan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial Football Tournament in the 16-match played at Kuman Lampak Turf Ground. Today, SSU Singjamai defeated FC Kangchup 3-1. For the winners, TH Roshan scored 2 goals at 78 and 87th minute, while L Roshan scored 1 goal at 56th minute of the match. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by Lamilin Kipgent at the 41st minute of the match. All Manipur Football Association has been organizing the football tournament dedicated to Churchan Maharaj, popularly known as the father of the modern times of Manipur since 1950. 2 football teams from outside the state and 29 local football teams competed in the tournament on knockout basis. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manpags on the road protest against cab greatly affects Tidim and Oripo Kangchup Road. One student and media person sustained injury in police scuffle. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambirin appeals to hold discourse on CAB 2016 to know its actual impact. Illegal tax collections allegedly by Horticulture Department from vehicles ferrying commercial commodities along Imphal More Road worry traders. And President Ramnath Kovind confers Sangeet Natak Academy Award 2017 to Manipuri dancer Oinam Dhoni and Sumang Lila artist Saukrakpam Hemanta.